Hello everyone and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So as most of you who are following me regularly, and thanks for doing that, you must have seen that I have started with this monsoon series since we are in the middle of our monsoon season. The lovely rains are here. So I have come up with this monsoon series in which I'm going to be sharing with you recipes that you can make which are easy to make during the monsoons, because that some vegetables are not easily available. The prices of vegetables do they become a little more expensive. So I'm going to show you recipes which you can make in the monsoons. Some are traditional recipes which happen only in the monsoons because these vegetables are available only in the monsoons. So the first video that I shared in the month of June was exactly like that. It was an ambadichi bhaji, aruchi bhaji and aru vadi. So these are available only in the monsoon seasons and they're very easy to prepare, so don't get overwhelmed and that it's difficult. It's simple. I've broken it down into easy steps so anyone can make these recipes, and they say that you should have all these traditional seasonal vegetables and fruits. It's really healthy. So I'm also going to come up with veg and non-veg tiffin items, breakfast recipes, easy to make snack recipes, lunch and dinner recipes, both veg and non-veg, of whatever is available during the monsoons where you can make it easily. So I hope you enjoy this series, and if you have any request, then please write to me. You can write to me in the comment section below. I'll also leave my email address, or you can write to me over there. Also, a new feature that I have started in this month of June, for those of you who have read the community tab on my channel, I have started with these timestamps. So normally I put up about 4 recipes together in one video. If the recipes are small, then I put about 5. So instead of you going through the entire video and searching for that particular recipe, if you just scroll on the video, you will see slots and they will be named. For example, the first video that I put up, which was ambadichi bhaji, aruchi bhaji and aloo vadi, if you just put your mouse on that or just scroll on the video, you will see the timestamp. So you can just click on that and it will go directly to the recipe you're looking for. Even in the description box below as well as the comments, there are the timestamps. So if you click on the timestamp and the recipe, it will take you directly to the recipe, so you don't have to go through all the other recipes. You can just go to the specific recipe. And also I've started with, when you start the video, it will show you what recipes are being featured in the video. So I hope you enjoy this new feature. It makes it easier for you to go and check out the recipes. And I have many recipes coming up in this month of in the monsoon, so look out for those recipes. Also, I said I'll just step in and talk to you all. Take care of yourselves, guys, during this monsoon season. The minute you're not feeling well or something, just go to the doctor. Don't let your health get leave it unattended. Drink water from home. Don't eat outside. That's why Akshata's Recipes is here to show you easy, simple, quick recipes which you can make at home. So try and avoid eating out, because it is dangerous to eat outside in the monsoon season with flies sitting all over the food. You don't know how the food is prepared, etc. And when you come home from outside, wash your feet, because you don't know what you have stepped into, what puddles are filled with. So come home, wash your feet well, keep yourself hydrated, eat healthy food at home if possible, as much as homemade food as possible, and just take care of yourselves. Put up the mosquito repellents in your home. Spray some mosquito repellent when you're going out, especially in areas where you know that you're going to be bitten by mosquitoes. So just take care of yourself. So I thought I'd just step in and talk to you all and just share my thoughts about the monsoon series videos that are coming up. And that of course I like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel. I'm not forcing you, but if you like my channel, then do subscribe. Do leave those thumbs up. Those thumbs ups are very important for my channel, because it shows you that the people that you like the video, so it will be sent to more and more people if you put the thumbs up. Share my videos with family and friends. Watch my videos till the end. And for those of you who do all that, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to me that you all take the time to watch my videos, to write to me. Please write to me, guys. I love to listen to hear all of you, and I always reply to most of the comments that I get on my channel. So thank you once again. Enjoy the rains and take care of yourselves. This is Akshata signing off. Stay safe, stay happy, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll catch you soon with many more recipes. Bye.